Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to split screen on Android phone. So you should be able to launch two apps at the same time on any Android phone you have, and the process is quite simple. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up one of the applications you want to cover up your screen. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and open up the YouTube application. Now that you have one of the applications opened, you want to go ahead and close it up. Then proceed to click on this button over here that allows you to see all of your minimized applications. So here I have the YouTube app which I just opened. If you're using a gesture navigation, all you just have to do is to swipe up from the left hand side. So just swipe like so, and you should be able to see all of your minimized application just like this. And then once you find the app you want to use for split screen, go ahead and click on the app icon at the top over here, and you should be able to find the open in split screen view option. Now once it is opened like this, you just want to scroll down, go through all of the applications over here and select the other application you want to use to cover up the second part of your screen. In this case, I'll go with the Gmail app. Open it up just like so, and as you can see, I currently have Gmail, and I can as well scroll from the top over here. In fact, I can as well go ahead and watch a YouTube video specifically from my channel. You can also decide how big you want each screen to be, so you can just hold on this line over here and then move it upward or downward, depending on what you want to give to any of the screen. And once you're done, just leave it at that, and you can see that I now have more space for the Gmail application. And if you also want to close it up, you can as well just long press on it and then just close it up just like so. So basically that is how to split screen on any Android phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.